So we're going to show you today the carpet steam clean, professional carpet steam clean for your carpet. So this is already pre-shampoo. The carpet is already pre-shampoo and waited for 15 minutes just to make sure the pre-shampoo is working on the carpet and breaking all the dirt. And then we're going to do the steam clean. The machine is ready. So this is our part of the service for the end of lease cleaning in Sydney. So this is Robert from Clean Australia Service. So I'm going to quickly show you how we do the carpet steam clean for the end of lease cleaning in Sydney. So you can see that this is part of the requirement by your real estate agent whenever you're moving out. And this is one of the property that we just finished all other window cleaning, tile cleaning, wall marks. So you can see all the wall marks here. So this is all been cleaned very well. And now we are about to start the carpet steam clean. So before we do the carpet steam clean, like I said, this carpet is already pre-shampooed. So it's ready. So we are going to do the steam clean now. So I'm going to show you quickly how we're going to do the steam clean. So I'm just going to, because can you just help me? Just show me for a few minutes how we do the steam clean. So with the carpet steam clean, we go 500 psi, that's maximum. At the average is you can go up to 300 to 400 psi, that is normal. But with the dirty carpets, I would recommend go up to 500 psi. That is really powerful for enough to remove the dirt on the carpet. So that we're going to show you how we do that. Right, so now here we are turning on, the machine is ready. And if you can check our power, less than 500, so make dropping down. So okay, now Vika's going to help me. Just don't shake the camera, just show them. All right, cool. So this extractor is steam cleaning the carpet. So especially for this type of carpet colors, you will not see the color difference when the dirt comes out. But when I remove the water from the machine, you will understand how much dirt we have removed from this carpet. So the tenant was living here more than a year now. So we are cleaning and getting ready for the next tenant. Even though this is a requirement by the real estate, so you can clean your carpet, get an exit cleaning, but I would suggest you just leave the carpet empty. And if you are living in a house, I would recommend for your carpet at least 6 months. Once in 6 months, if you steam clean your carpet, that is really healthy for your environment and your home. inside the cupboard. We have done up to here, so we will cover this area. As you can see, the surface is different now. Down. So because you can show them the machine one more time. Yeah. Let's show them how we do the back of the hole. So this is clean. Now, so we are doing the last part. Right, so that's how we do steam clean. So, right, so here's the carpet after the cleaning. See, this is all ready and is professionally steam clean and is ready for the next move in. Alright, this is Robert from Clean Australia Service, and I'll see you with another video. Thank you.